Good morning, y'all. It's your girl Ashira Reed back with another video. Before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment if you have any suggestions, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you are notified whenever I upload a video. Okay, so today this is just gonna be a little vlog. Today is February 1st, so happy Black History Month to all my, melanin people. And even if you're not, because we got some light skins, I'm one of them. But right now I am currently about to go to the store and get me some stuff because we are expecting a snowstorm for 2 days in a row, and I'm going to be stuck in the house. Yesterday I did give me some groceries, but right now I'm just going to give me some face masks, whatever. I'm gonna do a self-care type of vibe today because we finna be in the crib with it. So I'm finna go out, give me some things, take y'all to the store with me. But the first stop I gotta make, because my friend sent me some money for a smoothie, and your girl haven't had Smoothie King in a long time. And I used to have a really, really, really bad addiction, so I'm super excited that I don't have to spend my own money to go get one, because I usually okay, I'll make one in the house. But shout out to her for sending me that so I can go get me a smoothie. And then I'm going to go ahead and, go grab some things from the stores and all that. I'm going to take y'all with me. And then, we're going to just be in the crib with it for a few days. Like I said, it's supposed to snow 2 days in a row. We're supposed to expect 12 to 18 inches of snow, which, you never know how it really gonna go. So it's better to be prepared, better to be safe than sorry. So, your girl gotta go get some things. And I'm not gonna wait till the last minute. So, yeah, currently just got up, got myself together. And yes, let's go to Smoothie King first, period.
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna
Can I have the 32-ounce vegan pineapple spinach?
Alright, 32-ounce vegan pineapple spinach. Did you want to add anything else to that today? No, that was
Nope, that's it.
Alright, anything else?
Nope, that's it.
I'll be total at the window.
Okay. Yeah, they take all day. There'll only be one lady working up in the Smoothie King, or one person, either one or two people, and it's always slow as fuck. That's why I really hate coming here. That's why another big reason I started making my own smoothies, because ain't nobody got time. Definitely when you're in a rush. At home, I can make this shit so much quicker. And I noticed they went up on their prices. for a medium. It was $9.90, which I don't mind, and I usually add more stuff to mine, but I haven't had one in so long, so I'm excited. Come on. Thank you. You too. Here go my vegan pineapple spinach. This is a medium. Okay, y'all. Next stop, liquor store. So, y'all just pulled up to Schnucks. Cause I need to give me some wine. I went to like this Arab store, but they didn't have what I wanted. And I'm trying to get me like 3-4 bottles of wine. And y'all, this place is so fucking packed. No parking spots at all. Like, I don't even want to go in here for real. But let me make this quick so I can hurry up and get to the house. Okay, y'all, so I just came back from the store. And y'all know it wouldn't be right if I didn't show y'all what I got. I went to Schnucks just to get wine, and I ended up getting more than wine. So let me show y'all everything I got from Schnucks. I got food too, and I did get some stuff for my catering because I got my catering order coming soon, as y'all guys know. I got some turkey, smoked turkey wings. I got, turkey sausage. I got 2 of these. I eat a lot of turkey stuff. Like at first I had went like not eating beef or pork for like a year. So I'm trying to get back to that. Well, not trying, I am. I'm getting my life together now. Anyways, I got some turkey drumsticks, y'all. I got 2 packs of these. I got me some turkey just for like, I don't even got no bread, so I don't know if I want to do something with a sandwich or I don't know, whatever I want to make. More turkey wings. I got some chicken thighs. And I got 2 packs of ground beef for my catering order that I got coming up on the 12th. More turkey. I got some strawberries because I got some bananas and I want to make a smoothie soon. Some jalapenos just to have, because I like to do these with my turkey burgers too, if I ever want to make them. I got some turkey sausage for like breakfast or whatever I decide I want to do. I got 2 things of those. Some pickles. And then I got me some wine. So I got this wine here. I got this. This is Chardonnay. I got this. And I had to get this. Like, this wine is so fire. And I never tried this Chardonnay. I just had this and it was really good, so I got it again. And then this, like I said, I had it before. My cousin had bought it, but I'm used to drinking the one with Snoop Dogg on it. It's the red wine. So I like the rosé too, and it's really good, so I got this. So then y'all know I went to the Dollar Tree and picked up some stuff. Just, for a chill vibe at the house since we're gonna be snowed in. So I got some of these because, you know, when I'm cleaning my face and stuff like that, I need those. I stopped by the gas station when I got gas. I had to give me some vegan wraps. I like to smoke clean when I do smoke, so if you haven't tried, you know, or if you want to, or if you're trying to find something that's, you know, more on the healthy side for when you're smoking, these are so perfect. They vegan organic hemp wraps. Get you some. I love them. I love them. I love them. I've been using them for years now. Anyways, I got these from just because I'm gonna do my feet. You know, this is gonna be a self-care home vibe. This is cleansing water, something like witch hazel, which I like to use as well, but I didn't feel like going to another store. So then I just got, you know, different kinds of masks. So this is one of the masks I got. I got this mask. What else I get? I got this neck mask. I should have got 2 of these, but I only got 1. And then I got these foot masks because I'm really trying to work on my feet. Scrub it up, dub, you know. Then I got this for my face, you know. And some more hand soap for the bathroom. Should have got 2, but I only got 1. But hey, we got some more of this Vaseline stuff for my lips because y'all know. Let me open this in there. I got the cocoa butter kind already, and y'all, I love the cocoa butter kind. So I wanted to get the regular kind too, because these are so good on your lips. And they from Dollar Tree, and they are like some of the best. This one, oh, it just feels so smooth on your lip. Can't go wrong with it. And then what else I got? This is just another face mask thing. Black mask peel off. It's a charcoal mask. I like these. So yeah, I would say I think we're pretty set for, you know, the snowed in type of vibe. And like I said, I got stuff for my catering order, and I got some stuff for me. My freezer is already full as shit. So yeah, I don't know how this is about to go. And I'm trying to keep my ice in the freezer too. I do want to buy me an ice maker because, yeah, I don't have, like, my house is so tiny, I don't have room for a lot of stuff. So even like my freezer, like I can't even get a deep freezer, but I got like a little storage thing outside of my house. So I'll probably end up buying me a small deep freezer, not nothing huge, but eventually, so I can definitely, with my catering and stuff going on, I need more room because I'm buying food for me and other people. And yeah, I don't have no room for that. And yeah, so I'm about to get to looking up deep freezers and shit like that. Stuff, you know, because my house is tiny and I'm going to have so much, and I got more than one business going on. My other business, I can't wait to talk to y'all about, but it's too soon. I'm waiting till everything clears with that, and then I'll be able to, you know, talk more about it. I actually want to wait. I don't want to say too much, so I'm gonna shut up. But yeah, well, that's it for now, and yeah, I'll see y'all later, you know, when we, you know, vibing and chilling. Because I honestly don't know what I'm gonna cook. But y'all, let me tell you, last night I should have recorded that. I made some porterhouse steaks with some broccoli and cheese and a salad and roasted potatoes, baby. Holla at you, girl. Catering whoever, cause I be doing this shit. God. No, but it came out, y'all. It came out so good. Like, honestly, on some real shit, best steak I ever made, hands down. Like, I used to always say I want to like get better at my you know, my cooking for like steaks and everything, and I'm there, baby. I am there. I used to say, if anybody would have asked me like what you want to learn how to cook better or something like that, it would have definitely been steaks. And baby, I nailed that shit. So now I know exactly how I like to cook my steaks and everything. Turned out perfect. But yes, like I said, I will see y'all later. Anyways, I'm using vinegar and apple cider vinegar to soak my feet before I put on my mask. Shut up. Before I put my mask on my feet tonight, I'm on the phone with my sister. She messy, y'all. And then I'm just gonna scrub my feet with this. You know, just soak it for a little. Let me make sure my water not too hot. So your girl about to put this in there and soak her feet.
Don't walk your ass across the street.
I'm putting both because these feet really need some work. Okay, y'all?
They do. Okay, y'all.
Girl, shut up.
What happened to back out shirts?
Okay, hey, you gotta say it over.
What happened to back out shirts?
Okay, she wanna know what happened to the back out. Back out.
Yeah.
Getting ready to be alone.
No, you bring her down here. Like I told
I just got this one. Say hi to my YouTube, y'all.
Hey, YouTube, y'all. What?
She talking about, hey, YouTube, y'all, and Jabri get her. Get her. Y'all, my sister said she wish she had a time machine. You childish. That's how they say it. Yes, it sounds stupid. Okay, which one y'all think I should drink? Pick one, y'all. Jabri, you gonna say the Snoop Dogg one. The Snoop Dogg one is cold. It's cold, so I'm gonna go ahead and drink this because I had this in the... Huh? Alright. Well, actually, get your glass and I'm put it up to the screen and I got you. Exactly. She didn't say chill with me. Too late. This real remix to Ignition, hot and fresh out the kitchen.
Girl, they gonna mute you like
She said you two gonna mute me for singing that song. Don't come at R. Kelly like that. His music still jams. Okay. Jabri, it make me want to dance. I said it make me want to. Hey. Okay, y'all.
that time machine on what?
Exactly. Hey, y'all. Okay, so y'all, I'm just chilling right now. I currently just got done with some stuff, getting some stuff together on my computer for my catering order that I have coming up on the 12th. Just finished my bottle. Real relaxed vibes, you know. So yes, your girl is just chilling right now, getting everything together for my catering order. But yeah, getting this together, then I was doing some editing on my video. it for this video today. By the way, this wine, before I stop, if you have not tried this, go ahead and check this wine out because it is so good. Like, this one is really good. This is a rosé one. They actually got a red wine too, so yes, check it out. It's that Snoop. Check it out. It's really, really, really like, this is how the bottle look. I know the glare of the light, but this is how it looks. Y'all, the wine is so fire, clearly, because your girl just drank the whole thing. Now I'm about to chill out, you know, for the rest of the night, get my eyes low. I didn't do my foot mask, so I'll be, you know, tuning back in with y'all tomorrow to do all that type of, you dig, since I'm gonna be, I said slow, since I'm going to be snowed in or whatever. So with that being said, y'all have a good night. I'm feeling so good and productive and really good off this wine. Even better after I get my eyes low. But yes, don't you guys forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever your girl makes a new video. Thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Hey, Nikki G.